I can't wait until next year. I will finally be out of this stupid place once and for all.
Come in. Emma, why am I receiving calls from your principal? Skipping chapel isn't going to help you any, and your grades are drastically dropping. Did you find a new friend?
No, I just hate St. Patrick's. It's boring and hard. You just won't understand.
We are doing what's best for you. We're preparing you for the real world.
And the real world isn't like this. It's not going to be drawn out for me like this.
Okay, Emma.
Hope you have fun this date. I don't want us to get caught by your mom.
I can't guarantee anything because my mom is capable of doing anything if she finds out I'm not home.
It's okay. I'll ride with you to the very end.
Thanks, I'm so glad that I'm with you. Where have you been?
I was out, as you can tell. We live in a big city and I need to explore and you won't let me.
I understand I've been strict, and I guess I can allow you to go out with your friends, and I guess your new boyfriend.
I completely understand too, Mom. You're just trying to protect me and I really do appreciate that.
Come on, let's go inside.
You know, I read a poem called Caged Bird in school, and I can relate to you, but my cage is finally open.